In this video, we'll walk through how to quickly generate GIS vector and raster data anywhere on Earth using online satellite imagery with BrightEarth On Demand. Steps overview. 1. Create a project. 2. Define a process. 3. Choose an image source. 4. Configure options. 5. Launch the process. 6. Download the produced data. Step 1. Create a project. Before creating a project, zoom in on your area of interest using the mouse or enter a location in the search bar at the top left of the interface. Once you've clicked Create Project, define your area of interest by drawing a shape using the polygon tool. Left-click to add points, and right-click to remove the last point if needed. Once you're satisfied, double-click to finalize your selection. You can also use the rectangle tool. Alternatively, you can upload your AOI in KML/KMZ, Shapefile, or GeoJSON format using the Upload tool. With your 10 free evaluation credits, you can process an area of up to 10 square kilometers. Once you're happy with your selection, click Save and Close to finalize your AOI. Step 2. Define a process. To launch your first extraction, click on your project. Select Action, Launch Process from the menu. Step 3. Choose an image source. Now let's select the image source for your extraction. You have two modes, Plausible Heights and Accurate Heights. Clicking on the icons provides context-sensitive help on various functions. Plausible Heights, the default mode, is fast and cost-effective, ideal for general mapping. You can pick your image in 3 ways. From a base map, choose Maxar Vivid Basic, ArcGIS World Imagery, or Airbus OneAtlas, all at 50 cm resolution. ArcGIS World Imagery and Airbus OneAtlas base map may have lower resolution in some areas. If a selected source is not suitable for your area, a warning message will appear. With mono image searches, to manually select the most suitable image from Airbus or Maxar catalogs, or by uploading your own user image if you already have satellite data. For higher precision, select Accurate Heights. It uses stereo imagery to generate detailed 3D heights. A dedicated video, How to Use Image Search Tool, explains this mode in detail. Once selected, the credit cost is displayed at the top of the screen. This depends on the number of satellite image tiles consumed. Click on Next and give this extraction a name. Step 4. Configure additional parameters. Output projection. Default is pseudo-Mercator, but can be set to geographic. You can choose the raster resolution. Output formats. For vector data, choose GeoPackage, Shapefile, GeoJSON, or Map Info. For raster data, you have several export options. You can also enable 3D options for buildings. BrightEarth also includes telecom-friendly export options. Select models. Used only if you previously have fine-tuned detection models with a dedicated tool. More details in the fine-tuning video. Step 5. Launch the process. Click Next to review a summary of your process and its credit cost before launch. Click Submit to start processing in the cloud. Track progress in the Notifications panel top right or in the table of contents. The computation times can vary depending on the surface area, ranging from 5 minutes to 90 minutes, but they are not linear. Parallelizing the calculations can drastically reduce computation times for larger surfaces. Once processing is complete, the status changes to Complete, and you can expand the results in the table of contents. You can view the different layers produced, such as the land use/land cover raster, buildings, trees, roads, or walls. You can also display the elevation raster corresponding to the digital terrain model. To find out more, watch the video. Inspect extracted features. Step 6. Download the produced data. Click the download icon to retrieve your data. A zip file is available for direct download. For larger data, you need to install the BrightEarth downloader. Now you're ready to generate and download your first dataset with BrightEarth on demand.